Hey everyone, Train Guy 1969 here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at this Atlas Master Series locomotive. It is the Silver Series edition. This is a Dash 840 CW in the CSX livery, and it is DCC with sound. Now this is the only Atlas locomotive I have in my collection, and I'll have to say I'm quite impressed. If you take a look, you can see a lot of detail in the grill work on the front. You can see the different cables coming off the plow, independently applied grab irons, the number boards, windshield wipers, sunshades, a detailed interior with the cab crew in there, and you can see along the side some of the various stickers that you would find on the prototype. Beautiful paint job, nice little locomotive. We are going to get her up and running so you can have a listen to it, and then we'll get it going around the track. So here we go. Nice little startup sequence. We have the LED lights on the front, the ditch lights and the front lights, and even the number boards light up. We'll ring the bell, a couple short toots of the horn, and off she goes. Has no problem pulling this small consist. And the longhorn. It's a little quieter than some of the other models that I have, and I'm sure I could go in with my DCC controller and change the volume. Sounds great. I'll come back in. We'll bring it right back into the station. I'll start slowing her down. And there you have it. That is an Atlas Master Series Silver Edition CSX Dash 840 CW. Beautiful little locomotive. I was thrilled to be able to add this one to my collection. I'm trying to get as many of the Class 1 railroads as I can. Currently I have CSX, I have Union Pacific, I have BNSF, I have Kansas City Southern, Canadian Pacific, and Canadian National. Just need to get myself, I believe the last one will be a if I could say it, probably Norfolk Southern. And that one will complete my collection of Class 1 locomotives. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have yourselves a great day. Be safe.